During hybrid and online learning, your teachers will frequently leave feedback to guide your instruction and for you to better understand the scores you may have received. I'm going to show you a quick few ways to find the feedback and the comments your teachers have left you. When you click into your course, you will see there is a Grades tab here on the left. If you click here on the Grades tab, it will lead you to a list of all the assignments you have turned in this year. There's a few things that you'll notice. The first thing that you'll notice is here's your score, 8 out of 8. But if you click here, this is the rubric sign. If you click on the rubric, it will then show you the score that you received on that particular assignment. If you scroll down, you'll see here also that there are some comments here. So this student received no points on this assignment because there was no work shown. You can then click into the assignment if you're really curious, and you can look at your submission to see, maybe I didn't submit the work that I needed to do. So you can look at those teachers' feedback and you can then guide what you're going to do next time to continue to get the scores or boost your scores in the days to come.